Welcome to Z Pro Studio.
What would happen if your business experienced a cyber attack tomorrow? Would you know which systems are most important? How much damage could be done? And how quickly could you recover? That's exactly why cybersecurity risk management matters. In this video, you'll learn what cybersecurity risk management is, why every organization needs it, and the simple 5-step process to reduce cyber risks. Cybersecurity risk management is the process of identifying, evaluating, and reducing security risks before they become serious problems. Instead of reacting after an attack happens, organizations continuously look for weaknesses and improve their security. The goal isn't to eliminate every risk, it's to reduce the biggest risks before attackers can exploit them. Cyber threats continue to evolve every year. Businesses of every size face risks such as ransomware threats, phishing attacks, data breaches, insider threats. Without a structured risk management process, even a small security incident can lead to financial loss, downtime, and damage to customer trust. Let's look at the 5 key steps. Step 1. Identify your assets. Start by creating a list of everything you need to protect. This includes computers, servers, cloud services, employee devices, business applications, and sensitive customer data. You can't protect what you don't know exists. Step 2. Identify possible threats. Next, think about the risks that could affect each asset. Examples include phishing emails, ransomware, stolen passwords, hardware failures, or insider mistakes. Understanding potential threats helps you prepare before problems occur. Step 3. Assess the risk. Now evaluate each risk. Ask yourself, how likely is this attack? What would happen if it succeeded? Focus first on the risks that would have the biggest impact on your business. Step 4. Apply security controls. After identifying the highest risks, put protections in place. These may include multi-factor authentication, strong passwords, regular software updates, endpoint protection, employee security awareness training, secure data backups. The right controls greatly reduce your chances of a successful attack. Step 5. Monitor and improve. Cybersecurity isn't something you do once. Review your systems regularly, monitor for unusual activity, update your defenses, and reassess risks whenever your business changes. Continuous improvement is the key to staying protected. Many organizations make avoidable mistakes such as treating cybersecurity as a one-time project, ignoring cloud applications and remote devices, never reviewing security policies, failing to test backups, waiting until after an attack to create a response plan. Being proactive is always more effective than reacting after an incident. Cybersecurity risk management isn't just for large companies. Every organization can benefit from understanding its risks and building stronger security practices. Start by listing your most important systems, identifying possible threats, and applying basic security controls. Small improvements today can prevent major problems tomorrow.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Z Pro Studio for more tech tutorials, AI tips, and digital marketing insights. See you in the next video.